Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be planning in my social media planner, which is the Encourager layout, and I'm going to be using Fun Florals and the Colorful Boxes number 3. So I gave my social media planner a little facelift and I took the hardcover off. I'm not crazy about not having the hardcover on because covers get so scratched up that I don't know how long it's going to stay that way. My next video may have hardcovers back on. So I'm filming this actually on Saturday. I'm trying to get a little bit ahead of schedule. So I have not completed anything in the spread for the 18th through the 24th. But now we're planning the 25th through the 1st. So I thought it would be cute, and I did pre-pick some stickers already. I thought it would be cute to use these flowers that are in the Fun Florals sticker book. So I did use my wax paper to kind of pre-organize my layout a little bit. But I just kind of tried to color coordinate my colorful boxes with some of the colors that are in the flowers. So they're not a perfect match, but I do think they'll be pretty together. So I'm going to start over here on Monday, since Monday is my most productive day. And I'm trying to make it to where I'm trying to get ahead so that Saturday is actually my most productive day. That's when most everybody is kind of out of the house and it's nice and peaceful and quiet, and I can actually record videos without getting interrupted. So I'm trying to push myself to get to a Saturday filming schedule, but for now I'm gonna just leave Monday here. Or Monday, I'm going to let Monday still continue to be my most productive day as far as plans go. So probably what I'll do, since I'm filming this Monday's videos now, I'll go ahead and write in my checklist of things that I need to do, and then just check them off whatever I get done today. So we'll see if I can't start making myself do my filming and editing on the weekends. We'll see how that goes. So this is just a little pink header that is in the Colorful Boxes sticker book. I kind of also forgot just how much I really like this sticker book, because there's headers, there's just all kinds of things in here. There's even flowers. So I was going through my sticker books trying to do things a little differently, and I ran across that one and decided that I wanted to try it for this week. So I thought it would be cute too to put like a little checklist on here. So I'm going to rotate between pink and purple, and I think I'm going to put 3, since there's 2 boxes here, I'm going to put 3 dots on each box and see how that turns out. So hopefully you guys are having a good weekend, or you've had a good weekend. It's rainy and nasty here, so I thought today was a pretty good day to just stay inside and get some stuff done. November is almost gone, and it's going to be Christmas before we know it. I'm going to move this one down just a tad because I don't feel like it's centered well enough, but I like how cute that is. I just think that turned out really cute there. So then I thought I would take this double purple box and just kind of put it up here. And I do want to kind of offset it just a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to bring this pink one in down here. Maybe I'll just offset all of it. This is going to be out of my norm. But let's just try it and see. It might mess up my writing for the week, but let's just be a little different for now. Okay. And that's actually kind of cute there, and I can still write around this because I don't do a whole lot on Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so let's move to this page. And I like this quote that says, "You glow, girl." It was also in the Colorful Boxes 3 sticker book. And I am going to use my jelly roll to white out some of the lines, or some of this dark black line that's going to be behind it. So I'm just going to use my wax paper to kind of show me where to start and where to stop. And then I'm just going to lightly go over this black line with my jelly roll. It doesn't like completely white out the line, and these jelly rolls will dry up pretty quick on you if you're not fast. But this will just kind of take away from some of the dark black. It'll still show through just a little bit, but I'm okay with that. It's better than a big old thick whiteout strip behind the sticker. So I'm going to let that dry, and what I want to do is place my quote and then put a couple of my flowers around it. So it should be just about dry. Do I want to put it, I think I'll put it kind of like this. So you can still see the line just a tiny bit back there, but there's also grid lines back on this section of the page too, so it's not too terrible. And then we're just going to put that floral arrangement there, and we're going to stick this one up here. Let's try to turn it a little bit to go around my Y, but still stay in the box. So yeah, that's cute there. Okay, then what I thought I could do is take this double pink box here, and we'll just kind of offset it on Saturday. And my purple, I think I'm going to put the purple like in between all of these boxes, but I may not need to white out these two. Yeah, I'm going to put my purple line over top of these two, so I don't have to white them out. I just need to white these out. Okay, that's cute. And then we're going to take this blue. Now this blue, let me show you what I had to do, because I'd already used all of my blue. So my blue actually came off of this one. So it was a 3-layer box, and I just cut this out of it. So if you use all your smaller ones, this is always an option. And then I think we'll put my blue, just kind of stagger it down here. Yep, that's cute. Now I did want to put some little of my little dots in these long boxes too, if I can get them off my wax paper. So we'll put teal. Now I'm not going to mix, like I didn't put any teal boxes or circles in this teal box, and I'm not going to put any pink circles in this pink box. So I'm just trying to rotate all of my colors. There we go. And then we're going to do the same thing to this purple box over here. So I've already got my pink. I'm going to use pink and teal in the purple box, so that we just have all the colors in the box. And I think it looks really cute this way. Okay, so I am going to add some more of these flowers. I just need to decide where. And then I found these little, they're almost like little headers that I may try to incorporate in here. Let me see what else I might be able to find in this book. Okay, so let me go in with some flowers first before I go in with these headers. So let's find the ones that I'm using. I don't remember where they were. There they are. And there's only one sheet of them, so I gotta be kind of sparing. But I thought that I could use some of these big ones that have all three of my colors in them. So let's just grab a couple of those. And then maybe we'll go in with a different color. We'll see. So I always like to keep my bottom open for my stats. Let's see. I may just put this here. I don't want the purple on the purple though. I don't like that. That's kind of cute. And I do have lines showing through it, but I'm just going to deal with it. Because, like I said before, with this layout, that's like a lot of lines to be whiting out. And then I think I might kind of just stick this one up under the corner of this teal box. So I'll just kind of put the purple up under the edge there. Oops, I creased it. Okay. So yeah, that's cute like that. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these headers. Let's find, I can put a purple flower down here with this pink box. And I can put a purple flower up here too. So let's do that. Let's just go in with 2 more purple flowers. I used to really cut my flowers in half, and I've just for some reason kind of gotten away from that lately. I used to do it quite a bit, but that's okay. So I think I'm going to pick the edge of this little pink box here and do the same thing with this purple flower that I did on the other page. So yeah, that's very cute. And then now I have a flower here, so I want to put a flower here. So I just kind of did them like diagonal from each other. And I'm going to do that same thing here. I'm going to pick up the edge of this pink box and just put this little pink flower under here, or purple flower. Okay, so we got diagonal, and then we got these 2 flowers here. Alright, now this page looks really good, like nothing's missing, but I feel like there's something missing from up here. So why don't I just had an idea. Why don't I take and put these 3 in Thursday. So we'll put purple, teal, and then pink. And these are so hard to line up, especially for me. Okay, yeah, I think this is going to be cute. This teal one's still crooked. Yeah, that's very cute, actually. I really like that. Okay, so let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. And if you do subscribe, make sure you hit that little bell over on the side there so that you get notified every time I upload. So here's what it looks like, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.